What's up, guys? It's Ziggy from Cali Car Society, back at it again with another POV drive. Today we have this M3 Comp. It's not an X drive, so it's rear-wheel drive. Has carbon ceramics, blue interior. It's missing the bucket seats, but other than that, it's a pretty perfect spec. I like the white with the blue and the gold. So we're just gonna take a little quick drive, you know what I'm saying? Have a chill little time. There's a lot of traffic right now, and we need to put gas. I'm kind of lazy to go put gas right now. We'll see on the way how we're feeling. It's just like a super narrow thing. This one is narrow on the front, but on the back you can see the little wide body this shit got. So right up out of here, make sure we don't hit the gate. But let me know what y'all think about this interior though. Like, the only thing it's missing is the bucket seats and the carbon fiber. Shawty flexing the nails she just got on the FaceTime. Quick little drive, vibing it all the way back. Pull up in the Harley. You got to do a vlog pulling up. I'm not a Harley guy, but you know, I'll probably try one out. I'm curious. ice cream truck. Need that. Shit. Not bad, guys. Alright. Thank you guys for tuning in on this POV. Sorry there was a lot of traffic, but I think we got a couple pulls in. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Honestly, one of my favorite cars. I've driven a little bit of everything, but this one still is like just a fun driving car, always. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.